Ever wondered why some men get exactly what they want from their wives while others struggle? Why do some women stay attracted, engaged, and eager to please, while others pull away, make excuses, or act like uninterested roommates? Here is the truth: it has nothing to do with looks, it has nothing to do with luck or money. If your wife seems distant, uninterested, or you feel like you're constantly chasing her attention, then listen up. You don't have to beg. You don't have to negotiate. You just have to understand how women respond to men. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make her want to please you, crave your attention, and respect you more than ever. Let's get into it. One look and I breathe. Number one, speak in a way that triggers emotion and not logic. Most men try to reason their way into their wife's heart. They try to explain why she should appreciate them more or why intimacy should happen more often. That does not work because women don't fall in love with logic, they fall in love with emotions. Here is what you should do instead: challenge her playfully. Let her feel she's earning your approval instead of you always trying to earn hers. Be intriguing and not predictable. Stop asking the same boring routine questions. Keep her mind engaged. Try this instead of a small talk. If I pinned you against the wall right now and told you exactly what I want, would you stop me or challenge me? I mean, imagine a woman hearing that from her husband. She'd be like, hey, who's this? Never mind. Just keep going. You can also ask her a question like, what's something you've never told me but always wanted to? This would trigger something inside her to communicate with you. Like, what exactly is going on in my husband's head? Thirdly, you can ask questions like, if we met today for the first time, how would you want me to flirt with you? These questions pull her into motion, creates attraction, and make her emotionally invested in the conversation. Remember, a woman stops desiring a man when she feels she has him completely figured out. Keep her guessing and she'll stay engaged. Number two, stop talking. Start inspiring. A major reason why men struggle to get what they want in marriage is because they focus on talking instead of inspiring. When you expect things without giving her a reason to feel inspired, she pulls away. Here is how to flip the script. Make her earn your attention. A woman values what she works for. Give her enough to intrigue her, but not so much that she takes it for granted. Be unpredictable. Women don't fantasize about a routine, they crave excitement and new energy. Reward efforts, not presence. Women are wired to seek validation. Don't overgive attention without her doing anything to earn it. Scarcity creates value. The more available you are, the less she values your time. Make her work for your presence and she'll desire you more. 3. Never negotiate for her attention. Lead instead. Want to turn off a woman instantly? Beg for her attention. Please spend more time with me. Why don't you love me the way you used to? Can't we talk more often? Can't we talk about why you were distant? That kills attraction. Do this instead. Make her feel like she's chasing you. Instead of chasing her, be the man she doesn't want to lose. Secondly, be busy. Be on your mission. When you stop making her the center of your world, she'll walk to be part of yours. Thirdly, never negotiate for respect. If a woman respects you, she naturally desires you. If she loses respect, attraction dies. Women want to be with a man who makes decisions, not a man who begs for attention. Number 4 on the list, move with certainty and not permission. Powerful men don't ask permission, they move with certainty. When a man is indecisive, hesitant, or constantly asking what to do, women lose attraction. Instead of saying, would you like to get coffee? Simply say, I'm grabbing a coffee. Come with me. Now you give her a reason to make options, and she can tell you those options too. So her options may be that she agrees and she follows. Another option may be she might also suggest something else, but she's still engaging. And then the last one could be that she would just decline, but now she's reacting to you, not the other way around. A leader doesn't ask, he expects. And a woman is naturally drawn to a man who leads with confidence. Number 5, respect and desire go hand in hand. Here is an uncomfortable truth. A woman cannot feel attracted to a man she doesn't respect. If your wife treats you like a roommate instead of a lover, ask yourself, have I been leading or following in the relationship? Have I been chasing her approval or making her walk for mine? Have I been standing my ground or pleading for her attention? If she doesn't respect you, she will eventually stop desiring you. Here is what to do: set boundaries. Don't tolerate behaviors that disrespect you. Be on your mission. A woman is naturally drawn to a man who has purpose and ambition. Make her admire you. Women crave men who challenge them to be better, not men who just comply with their every demands. Respect yourself first, and she will respect and desire you more. My final thought: attraction is a choice. You can bring it back. If your wife has lost interest, don't panic. You don't have to accept it. You can fix it. Stop chasing. Start leading. Stop overgiving. Make her work for your time. Create mystery. Lead with confidence and make her feel emotionally invested. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 shifts are you going to apply first? Let's talk about it.